Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Greetings from Brillica Services. Today I will teach you how can you match the color of any subject to any background. So we have one model image and three different backgrounds with different colors. So let's see. This is our blue background, green background and red background. Each background is different to each other. So let's match the model image color with any background. So let's start without wasting time. So firstly, just select your image and goes to image option, then goes to adjustment and goes to match color. This is the best option for making any type of poster because it's too easy to use. So firstly, this panel will open. So this is our targeted image and these are the image options of lightness, neutralize, color intensity, fade and luminance. So here we have one the source. So I have only one tab open in Photoshop. So here is only one. If you have opened multiple tabs, so this will show here on this here, and it will show multiple layers of that tab. So I'm just selecting mine and I will check. So firstly we'll start from view background and just select spooky foggy forest and see this magic will happen and you can manage according lightness to your requirement. You can match any subject to with any background with these easy steps. And let's try another image. Let's do abandoned alabaster forest hospital. Okay, this one is our green background. See, it's too easy to use. You can manage everything of lightness of that background according to your subject. Okay, let's try the last one. Okay, let's. So, guys, you can see it's easy to use and that's it for the video. Now it's your turn. So comment your designs or your practices. So we will meet in next video with new challenges. Thanks for watching.